The introduction of the tag and tap edge offers the tip user the ability to collect thermal wire data and transmit it autonomously to PDI's proprietary and secure cloud database for remote download and analysis. The tap aggregator, or tag, combines the data records from multiple tap edges using its own secure Wi-Fi network. It then sends these records to the PDI cloud via an internal cellular modem. The tap edge functions similarly to the current tap, except that thermal wire data is transferred via Wi-Fi interface as opposed to USB. The operational status of the tag can be assessed by examining the LEDs on its front plate. The tag can also act as a thermal wire data collector, like a tap, and the LED in the upper left reflects the status of those interactions. Flashing green indicates the attached thermal wire was read correctly. Flashing red indicates one of the following: 2 consecutive nodes of the thermal wire failed to respond, or onboard storage memory is down to a day or less of thermal wire records. In either case, there is a possibility that data will not be recorded correctly, and the user is advised to narrow down the problem to either the tag or the actual thermal wire. Solid red indicates a significant hardware problem with the tag, which should be replaced before actual use. Solid green indicates that a turn-on plug was used to start the tag, and no thermal wire is attached. If solid green is illuminated and the user is confident that a thermal wire is actually attached, there is probably a connection problem between the tag and the very first node of the thermal wire. This is a problem that should be rectified immediately, as the tag believes there is no wire attached, so thermal wire reads will not occur. The tag is equipped with a Wi-Fi interface, which allows it to communicate with both the tap edge and the tip main unit. This LED located in the upper right flashes blue to indicate the tag is attempting to communicate with the tap edge or tip. Solid blue indicates that a connection has been established and communication is ongoing. The lower left section is dedicated to the cellular interface and denotes the signal strength of the connection. The lower right section is dedicated to the remaining battery reserve available. The following sequences show the typical operation of the tag and a tap edge in a system. On startup, the tag will do an LED test by first cycling through the thermal wire and Wi-Fi LEDs, then sequentially testing the cellular and power LEDs. After the LED test, the tag will start its Wi-Fi interface in an attempt to communicate with any tip main unit that might be in the area. Finding no tips to talk to, the tag will power up its cellular interface. The ascending LEDs indicate attempts at finding cell service. The tag will allow up to 2 minutes of time to make a valid connection. Cell connections are scheduled to take place at hourly intervals, and between those times, the interface is turned off. Solid LEDs indicate that a cellular connection has been made. Any thermal wire data collected by the tag will be sent to the cloud first, after which the Wi-Fi interface will be started, but in this case the tag will be looking for tap edges to talk to. The blinking Wi-Fi LED indicates that the tag is ready to talk to any available tap edges. The solid blue LEDs on both the tag and the tap edge indicate that these devices are connected, and thermal wire records are being uploaded from the tap edge through the tag to the PDI cloud database. Once the tap's data has been uploaded, the connection is severed. The tap edge goes back to its idle mode, taking and storing thermal wire data at its normal intervals. The tag maintains its cellular connection and begins searching for any other taps that might have data to upload. The tag allows up to 2 minutes of searching before stopping both its Wi-Fi interface and its cellular interface before going back to its idle condition. In the idle phase, the tag will blink the last known status of the thermal wire, cellular, and battery reserve every 5 seconds. The following are important items. The thermal wire will be interrogated for data every 15 minutes as a default. This can be modified by the user through the tip main unit. The tag can also be started with the standard turn-on plug, in which case no thermal wire records need to be stored. The cellular connection will be started every 60 minutes, whether a thermal wire is connected or not. If a valid connection is achieved, the tag will upload its data first, then the data of any tap edges in the area. Thermal wire data is always stored locally in both the tag and tap edge, so that if a cellular connection is not available, data records will not be lost. Every minute, both the tag and tap edge will use their Wi-Fi interface to search the area for a tip main unit. The tip main unit allows the user to set the sampling time of the thermal wire, as well as download thermal wire records.